Hello lovelies. So this is a very first tutorial for photo backdrops, either for a birthday or maybe an event. So if you've ever seen this kind of backdrops and you wonder how they are made, I came up with this tutorial to show you how I did mine, and it turned out to be very nice. I wanted a golden background, a gold one. So all you'll need is this kind of paper wrapper, and a small stapler with pins. So you just go ahead and staple randomly like I'm doing now, and then after that you go ahead and connect the small papers, the wrappers. You'll put them together with the same stapler, and then you go ahead and it will make a big backdrop just like I'm doing. You see, it's going to come out so beautiful and you're going to love it. It will depend with the color you want. They are pink, silver, and many colors, even green. So any color of your choice, but this is the tutorial. You can do it yourself, either for your birthday or anything. Let's follow this together, and I hope I help somebody who has been wondering how to do this kind of backdrop. So if you're watching my videos for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please do so, and subscribe. Thank you so much. We are on the road to 3K, and I hope by the end of this month we'll be there. Thank you very much, and I love you all. Bye, see you next time.